Hey, and welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, we will find the best free social scheduler by comparing Later and Buffer. If you're looking for the best free social scheduler in 2025, then watch this video till the end and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any future uploads. And let's get into this. Buffer's like your trusty sidekick for social media. It helps you plan posts, keep an eye on how they're doing, and even chat with your followers all in one place. It's great for folks who want a simple, no-fuss way to manage their social presence. It manages up to 300 social profiles, has white label options for agencies, you can get 12% more engagement with analytics, you can assign tasks to 80+ team members, and you can also automate content with smart queues on Buffer. It has 3 plans free, $0/month. Essentials, $5 per month per channel team. $10 per month per channel. Later is all about making your social media look amazing. Think of it as your visual planner. It helps you arrange your posts so your feed looks cohesive, plus it has tools to drive traffic and sales. Later offers scheduling, publishing, analytics, and a visual planner for creating and previewing your social media content. It integrates with Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and TikTok. The interface is drag and drop and very visual, making it easy to plan and schedule your content. Later offers email and chat support, as well as a comprehensive help center. It connects with a few key tools, such as Canva, Unsplash, and Dropbox. Later offers plans for businesses of all sizes, from solopreneurs to large teams. Later has a free plan with limited features. Paid plans start at $18 per month and go up depending on the number of social profiles and users you need. Starter, $16.67 per month. Growth, $30 per month. Advanced, $53.33 per month. Buffer uses a simple, queue-based social media scheduling system and a calendar view. It does not offer a drag-and-drop interface directly onto the calendar for arranging posts, prioritizing functional efficiency over visual planning, while Later is centered around a visual planner with a drag-and-drop interface. This key feature makes it ideal for planning and visualizing social media posts for aesthetic social media channels like Instagram and Pinterest. Through that basic one-on-one comparison, you can easily choose what suits you the best. Thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials like this.